You absolutely need to hear this, because 2MP cameras just don't cut it anymore. Introducing the ACTi Best Image Quality Camera, a powerhouse with 20MP resolution, up to 250 meters IR distance, 40x optical zoom, AI autofocus, and unbeatable low light performance. And the best part? It costs 30% to 50% less than Axis. This is not just another camera. It's a revolution in physical security. The ACTi Best Image Quality Camera delivers IR distance up to 250 meters. Whether it's a factory perimeter, a seaport container zone, or a utility substation, this camera sees clearly through the darkness. From your VMS interface, simply navigate to the IR settings, select strength and range, trigger IR mode, and instantly view the results. Security staff can detect threats sooner and avoid false alarms, day or night. With up to 40x optical zoom and AI-powered autofocus, this camera brings you razor-sharp close-ups of production lines, moving cargo, and electrical equipment inspections. Zoom in instantly through the VMS control panel and capture every detail. It's precision surveillance without sacrificing speed. Boasting ultra-high 20MP clarity, the ACTi camera captures license plates, faces, and infrastructure details. It's essential for managing inventory in factories, recording shipping transactions at ports, and monitoring utility equipment. The resolution also enhances evidence accuracy and reduces risk. Even in near total darkness, think parking lots, warehouse docks, or power stations, this camera maintains crest imaging 24/7. It reduces reliance on lighting systems, saves electricity, and boosts operational efficiency. Whether it's sunlight flooding a factory gate, water glare at a seaport, or bright meters outdoors, ACTi's extreme WDR balances shadows and highlights. It ensures that no important detail is lost in extreme contrast situations. It eliminates visual noise in low light or interference-heavy environments like seaports with heavy humidity, vibrating factory floors, or power plants with electromagnetic disturbances. The result? Clean, readable video, perfect for incident reviews. Equipped with professional-grade optics, the ACTi camera offers superior precision and minimal distortion. Ideal for high-accuracy environments, like precision machinery, conveyor belt tracking, or electrical terminal monitoring, this lens guarantees reliable visual data. You might wonder, with these features, won't it cost a fortune? Not even close. The ACTi Best Image Quality Camera delivers all this, at 30% to 50% lower cost than comparable Axis models. Fully NDAA compliant and license-free, it integrates seamlessly with ACTi's full ecosystem of surveillance solutions. Whether you're a system integrator or end user, this is your one-stop answer to high-performance, budget-conscious security. High image quality is no longer a luxury. Choose the ACTi Best Image Quality Camera today and upgrade your entire security system, with less budget and more performance. Click the link below to request a quote or download the full catalog. Secure smarter, save bigger.